Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about washing. So first we'll start out with washing your clothes. So you would do close with your thumbs touching and dragging down this way. Close, wash. So this is my dominant hand that's on top. So it's got these hand shapes like claws this way, okay? And so they're turning opposite directions. So 1, 2, okay? And then your dominant one is on top. So close, wash, okay? You can also do dishes. This would be the classifier for, like, think of a plate, okay? So dishes, wash, if you were doing them in a dishwasher, or it could be dish and then like wash, like you're scrubbing it by hand, dishwash, okay? So close, wash, a dish, wash, or it could be a dish, wash, okay? Then you also have, let's say you were, washing the car. So you could do it this way, kind of the whole wax on, wax off. Okay, so you were washing the car, washing this way. You could do, I'm washing myself, I'm taking a bath. So this is the sign bath, bath. Okay, so I'm taking a bath. I'm washing this, the toilet, I was like scrubbing it. Or, you know, if you're wiping something out, like the microwave, I was wiping it out, trying to scrub everything, or it's really like working on that like stain. So those things, you would do this when you're washing this way.